Yeah, see what are you looking at in that book? Pictures? Paintings? Are they nice? And what are you doing, Fred?
It's a dust.
I see. This is the way the world works. Father plays with the jigsaw, and son is reading art books.